if you're facing a card decline error on Airwallex, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check card details. Ensure that all the card information you entered is correct. Verify the card number, expiration date, and CVV code to make sure there are no typos. Step 2. Confirm card activation. Make sure your card is activated and ready for use. Some cards require activation before they can be used for online transactions. Step 3. Review account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Airwallex link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact your bank. Reach out to your bank or card issuer to inquire if there are any restrictions or issues with your card. They may have flagged the transaction for security reasons. Step 5. Try a different payment method. If the issue persists, consider using a different card or payment method. This can help determine if the problem is specific to the original card. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the card declined issue on Airwallex efficiently. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Airwallex support for further assistance.